Previously, we looked at using the Diffusion MCP Server for looking and exploring metrics. Now we're going to look at metric alerts. So I'm asking the server, what are Diffusion metric alerts? This is a new feature of Diffusion in the latest release, 6.12. And the answer is that metric alerts are for monitoring metric events. So it allows you to set up an alert which will occur when certain conditions are met. So here it's describing how they work, how you create them, how they're used for monitoring, when alerts are triggered and notified. And they notify by writing the alert to a topic. So when an alert is triggered, it will create and write to a Diffusion time series topic. As it says there, it's only supported on Diffusion 6.12 and later. So first of all, I'm going to ask it to connect to the local Diffusion server, which I have running, which is an out-of-the-box server. So I'm going to ask it to connect as admin, which is the default administrator principal, which is in the out-of-the-box Diffusion, and gives you full permissions, so you can do anything. I'm asking it specifically how to set up a metric alert that triggers when the number of sessions connected is greater than 1. This makes it easy to just test this here because we have potentially 2 sessions. I have a console in the background and the MCP server here connecting. So we will have 2 sessions, and that alert should therefore trigger immediately. But I'm also asking it to remove the alert topic when it hasn't had any updates for 60 seconds. Again, a small period of time so we can usefully test it. So, given that description I gave it, it's connecting to the server, searching the metrics that it needs to do, and it's creating the metric alert. Didn't get it right at first. Yeah, okay, makes mistakes, but it'll go until it gets it right. So it's showing you the alert it's set up. It's called it session count alert. And it triggers when the session count exceeds 1 and creates a topic called alerts/sessions. So you can organize your alerts under a main topic, have different ones. And it's checking it, and it's showing you that the alert has already triggered. The alert topic exists and it contains the data it shows there. Go to the console, just have a look at that. As the metric alert is set up, select, as you can see, that's the format that you would have to type in if you were doing this manually yourself, but Claude has helpfully created it all for you. We look at the topics, we see alerts, sessions has an alert in there with a value of 2, showing you how many sessions there are. This alert will keep triggering as long as the condition is true. So that continues. And it tells you you could subscribe to that topic in another application and receive notifications when it happens. Now, I'm asking it to update that alert so it removes after 15 seconds instead of 60 because we just want to see it happening a bit sooner. So it's updated the alert. It's just checking it to make sure it is what it expects. And it'll now remove the session's topic more quickly after just 15 seconds if the session count drops. So we see what's happened here. It's changed it. Topic's there. Now let's ask Claude to actually disconnect from the Diffusion server so that the session count drops down to just 1. And that should cause the alert topic to be removed after 15 seconds. So Claude is helpfully disconnecting there. And it's saying after 15 seconds that topic will remove itself. Let's just wait a little. Can go over here, refresh, it's gone. Let's ask Claude to connect again, and the alert will then trigger again. And it's verified that a topic is back. Current session count is 2. And it verifies it's working exactly as designed. So there we are. So as usual, let's tidy up and remove the alert. That's a brief summary of using the Diffusion MCP server to create metric alerts and test them. Because the alert's gone, the topic will be removed after 15 seconds. So let's disconnect, and that's it.